So the Sharp Aquos R11 has been launched, and it's one of the most unique flagship smartphones of 2026. The device features a premium curved aluminum free curve frame paired with the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on both the front and the back, while the distinctive asymmetric camera module immediately sets it apart from other flagship phones. One of the standout design elements is the integrated RGB LED light strip, which works as a notification light and can even create ambient relaxation effects, including a flickering campfire style glow. On the front, the Aquos R11 packs a compact 6.5-inch Pro IGZO OLED display with a sharp Full HD Plus resolution and an adaptive 1Hz to 240Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth scrolling and gaming. Peak brightness reaches up to 3600 nits, and as I mentioned earlier, the screen is protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Powering the device is the Snapdragon 8S Gen 4 chipset paired with 12GB of RAM and either 256GB or 512GB of ultra-fast UFS 4.1 storage. The brand has also redesigned the cooling system with a larger vapor chamber to maintain performance during demanding workloads. The phone ships with the Android 16, and the brand has promised 3 major Android upgrades alongside 5 years of security updates for the device. Now, in terms of photography, the device features a triple rear camera setup, all of which are Leica tuned, and they include a 50.3MP OIS main camera, a 50.3MP ultra wide angle lens with face detection autofocus, and a 122-degree field of view, plus a roughly 38.5MP telephoto lens, offering about 2.9x true optical zoom with OIS. A dedicated 14-channel multispectral sensor improves color accuracy and white balance, while the front camera is a 50.3MP autofocus shooter housed in a centered punch hole. Battery life is backed by a moderate 5100 mAh cell with USB Type-C power delivery fast charging. The device is also exceptionally durable with IP65, IP68 and IP69 certifications, alongside military-grade standard 810G and 810H compliance for shock and drop resistance. Other features include Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, NFC, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, facial recognition, a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, and Leica support for Japanese transit and payment services. The brand is offering the Aquos R11 in 3 sophisticated colors, including Ivory, Navy, and Terracotta. And as for pricing, the Sharp Aquos R11 starts at approximately 163,900 Japanese yen, which converts roughly to around $1,020 to $1,030. So these are the top details of the device. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Please have in mind that the device will be available in Japan, and if you are based anywhere else in the world, you may have to import it through third-party retailers. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.